Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving headfirst into a DIY experiment that, honestly, left me completely stunned. I stumbled upon this, let's just call it a unique idea online. And I knew I had to try it. The concept was so out there, so seemingly impossible, that I simply had to see if it was real. Now, I'm not going to spoil the surprise just yet. But I will tell you this, it involved some pretty unusual materials. A bit of elbow grease, and a whole lot of faith. The instructions I found were, shall we say, vague. So, I had to do a lot of improvising and guessing. I'm pretty sure I spent more time scratching my head than actually building anything. I started by gathering my supplies. I needed, well, let's just say it involved things you probably wouldn't expect to find in the same room. I'm talking about stuff from the kitchen, the garage, and maybe even a little bit from the garden. The sheer randomness of it all had me questioning everything. Is this even going to work? Was I about to waste an entire afternoon on a wild goose chase? Next came the construction phase. This is where things got really interesting, or maybe just really messy. The instructions were basically, mix these things together, then do this, and finally, wait. Thanks, whoever wrote that. I tried my best to follow the cryptic guide. Measuring things with, well, I used whatever I could find. Accuracy wasn't really the goal here. Survival was. After what felt like an eternity of mixing, pouring, and hoping, the moment of truth arrived. I had to wait for the final product to come to fruition. As instructed by the DIY Ideas Guide, I set it up and held my breath. That moment was electric. What happened next completely blew me away. I couldn't believe my eyes. But before I reveal the shocking results, I want to say a huge thank you to all of you for watching. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments if you've ever tried a DIY project that turned out surprisingly well, or hilariously badly. I'd love to hear your stories. Okay, are you ready? Because I definitely wasn't. The DIY idea actually worked, and the results were far more impressive than I could have ever imagined. The before and after were unreal. I was so shocked that I had to do a double take. I'm still not entirely sure how it's possible, but there it is, undeniable proof that sometimes, the craziest ideas are the ones that work. So, what did I learn from this? Well, for one, never underestimate the power of a good experiment. And two, maybe I should start taking DIY projects a bit more seriously. Who knows what other incredible things are out there, just waiting to be discovered. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.